Welcome to Review Rumble. The best gemstones rocks is probably one of the most exciting and educational ways to introduce children to the wonders of geology and the natural world, offering a hands-on experience that sparks curiosity and a lifelong love for science and discovery, making it an ideal gift for young explorers eager to unearth the planet's hidden treasures and learn about the fascinating origins and properties of various minerals and crystals. Number 5. JOYEZA Rock Painting Kit Deluxe. Spark your child's imagination with our complete rock painting kit. It's the perfect way to encourage artistic expression and spread positivity through unique creations. Watch them dive into the joy of painting rocks the moment they open the box. This kit offers hours of engaging, creative fun away from screens. Looking for art supplies for kids? This thoughtful kit, with smooth stones and vibrant paints, is a fantastic gift for any occasion and a great party activity. Get more for your money. This set includes everything needed to develop artistic skills, with more items than comparable kits on the market. We stand by our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime guarantee, offering a full refund or replacement if you encounter any issues. What we like. This kit is packed with value, offering more items than comparable sets. If you are looking for a comprehensive art experience with plenty of supplies for hours of creative fun, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for kids who love to paint and decorate. What people say. The rocks were all flat and able to paint on them well. It was filled with jewels, glitter paint pens and brushes and paint, and this is a great kit. The variety of paints is fantastic, vibrant, easy to apply, and they dry quickly. The included brushes are perfect for both fine details and covering larger areas. The rocks themselves are smooth and just the right size for little hands. It comes with so many different accessories to decorate the rocks. Perfect for my 5-year-olds. Number 4. National Geographic Gemstone Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets you excavate 10 genuine gemstones, just like a real geologist. Unearth a variety of beautiful stones including amethyst, pyrite, rose quartz, and tiger's eye. There are 10 unique gems waiting to be found. Use the included identification sheet to learn about each gemstone you discover. It's packed with fascinating facts about your new rock collection. This kit provides everything you need to dig like a pro. Use the excavation tool, brush, and magnifying glass to reveal and examine each gem. This is the perfect way to begin your very own rock collection. It's a hands-on science kit that sparks curiosity and a love for earth science. From an award-winning company, this kit is designed to inspire education and creativity. Enjoy a stellar experience with our support team. What we like. This is a fantastic introduction to geology for young enthusiasts. If your child loves the thrill of discovery and wants to start their own rock collection, this kit provides a hands-on way to excavate and identify real gemstones. It's ideal for curious minds interested in earth science. What people say. The gemstone is huge compared to similar dig kits, which immediately makes it exciting to open and explore. The included tools work well, and the gemstone itself is vibrant and satisfying once fully uncovered. I also appreciated the educational booklet. It explains what gemstones are and adds real learning value rather than just being a toy. Number 3. National Geographic Mega Gemstone Dig Kit. Give your child the excitement of digging in a real gem mine. They'll excavate real crystal treasures in this fun, educational activity focused on exploration and discovery. Unearth 15 incredible gemstones like pyrite, amethyst, and tiger's eye. This kit offers a unique blend of education and fun, unlike other children's toys. This complete learning activity includes everything needed for hours of digging and discovery. It comes with a dig brick, chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. A detailed, full-color learning guide illustrates how gemstones are formed and mined. It helps young scientists identify each amazing specimen they discover. We pride ourselves on creating top-quality, hands-on science toys. We are committed to providing exceptional service for your child's learning experience. What we like. For an even grander excavation experience, this mega kit offers more treasures to uncover. If you want to provide a more extensive and educational gem digging adventure with a comprehensive guide, this is the perfect option. It's suited for children who are passionate about geology and discovery. What people say. The kit comes with everything needed, a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass, so they can really get into the mining experience. The 16-page full-color guide is awesome too, explaining how each gemstone forms and helping kids identify what they find. It was so fun digging out the gemstones one by one, cleaning them up, enjoying the beauty of nature. Number 2. My Book of Rocks and Minerals. Embark on an exciting journey into the captivating world of rocks and minerals. This book is your ultimate guide to finding, collecting, and treasuring these natural wonders. Learn how to identify unique specimens and where to find them. You'll uncover the secrets to building your very own collection of geological treasures. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, this guide offers valuable insights. It's perfect for anyone who loves to find and keep beautiful rocks and minerals. Explore the fascinating stories behind each specimen. Understand their origins and the incredible processes that formed them over millions of years. This book encourages you to appreciate the beauty and value of the natural world. Start your adventure today and create a treasured collection you'll cherish forever. What we like. This product offers a different approach, focusing on learning and collecting through a book. If you prefer a resource that combines educational content with the idea of finding and treasuring rocks and minerals, this is a great choice. It's ideal for children who enjoy reading and learning about geology in a structured way. What people say. The rocks are a good size for small hands and easy to identify. Comes with a nice display case that makes it easy to store and show off the collection. The educational booklet is very informative and helps kids learn about each stone. Number 1. GobiDex Gemstones Dig Kit. Embark on an exciting journey to explore the mysteries of space. This kit provides everything you need to dig like a pro and discover hidden wonders. Get ready to excavate 15 precious gems, just like a real geologist. Learn all about the unique stones you uncover with the included guide. This kit makes learning about gemstones and geology fun and engaging. It's a fantastic way to develop hands-on skills and expand your knowledge of archaeology. Experience the thrill of breaking through plaster to find sparkling crystal treasures. Hours of fun await as you learn about real gems from across the globe. Make science exciting with this engaging solar system toy. It's an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for young explorers aged 6 and up. Become a junior geologist with this all-in-one excavation set. It includes all the essential tools for a realistic and educational digging experience. What we like. This kit uniquely combines space exploration with gem excavation, offering a fun twist on geology. If your child is fascinated by both space and science, this is an exciting option that encourages hands-on learning about gemstones and archaeology. It's perfect for sparking interest in STEM through an adventurous theme. What people say. He loved digging into this and finding lots of treasures. His younger and older siblings also loved playing with it. She works on it for 10 to 15 minutes at a time and is so excited to find each stone. It's led to a ton of questions, research, and ideas on her part. Grandkids loved this, had a blast working to get the gems out, came with safety glasses and all the tools, made the kids feel authentic. The activity took some time, which is nice because the kids were engaged in it and got very excited every time they found a gem. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.